How's it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. Mustangs have a mind of their own, okay? It is very hard as just a normal driver to control a Mustang, okay? From one Mustang driver to another, okay? I own a Mustang, so I'm going to start by making a Mustang related video first. But Mustangs, once they see a crowd, okay, their heat seeking picks up all their heat signatures, and it smells their scent of fear. It's very hard. It's very unreliable. It's very hard to predict what's gonna happen. Okay, it's scary. It's very scary. Trust me. Okay, that's why I don't go to car meets in my fucking Mustang. That's exactly why I don't want that to happen. So we're gonna be looking at a few Mustang related clips here, and maybe just educate some Mustang drivers on what not to do, and see what these guys messed up on. So we'll start pretty light, and then as we move forward, the clips will get worse and worse. So first up. Alright, so, okay, at first I thought he was trying to Tokyo drift, the corner. Obviously it's raining and shit like that, but I'm thinking this might be a new way to do a U-turn, okay? As we see, he comes out, whips it kind of hard, loses control, of course. Maybe he thinks there's people in the house. Not really sure what's going on, okay? I don't know if he's thinking that it's like a bicycle back when you were a kid and you can just throw it on the lawn or whatever. Maybe this is his friend's house and he's just trying to pull up, and then he's like, oh shit, this isn't a bicycle. So he does a U-turn and goes the completely opposite direction that he was initially trying to go for, and his car kind of sounds messed up. I don't know what. The grass looks okay though, so that's good. He didn't kill any grass, but I'm assuming that this guy was just trying to drift very poorly, swung it too hard, panicked, swung it the other way, trying to overcorrect, and fucked up the grass there. Pranced around on the lawn. Maybe the pony wanted to get its hooves, dirty. But yeah, I mean, overall, no one got hurt, so that's a good first clip. We're starting off light. The grass just got damaged, and no one got hurt though, so let's go forward. Alright, so what's wrong with this picture? First up, okay, sorry I had to pause it, but what's wrong with this picture? No one's wearing helmets. When will you learn? This guy is egging on the Mustang. Now that's a bad idea, okay? This one's got a cow hood, so its heat-seeking mode is like 10 times. No helmets. Don't egg on the Mustang, okay? This guy's trolling it with the Mustang hat. Now that car's fucked, okay? So let's break it down. Let's see exactly what happened. His buddy's probably rushing after him, telling him like, yo, your wheel's fucked. So no one's wearing helmets. This guy's kind of maybe, trying to do like the whole Olay shit with the bowl. I forgot what that's called, man. Fuck. But you know what I'm talking about, though. Olay, and with the little, I don't know. Just ignore I fucking said that. That guy's getting way too close. No helmets, no helmets. Whipping it. He's doing really good here, okay? But see, there's plenty of room. And then he thinks he's got a little bit more skill than he's used to. Starts to go down the narrow road. Whips it. Shelby whips it. Boom! And then he's off into the distance, riding off into the sunset, just like every good cowboy movie. Wear your helmets, ladies and gentlemen. Wear your helmets. No one got hurt, though, except for his car. All right, next up. Okay, so this one wasn't so bad. It doesn't look like anyone got hurt, but you always see people like, take photos of cars and say that ass. Well, this Mustang was just trying to back that ass up, okay? I mean, that's all that happened. He made the guy sit down, backed that ass up square into his face, and then drove off just to give him a quick little tease. So, I mean, it's good no one got hurt. Obviously, she goes back out into the open to do her pole dancing and stuff like that. But, I mean, back that ass up, boy, right up into the corner. And I guarantee he thought his life was over. Didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it just happened that way. But, yeah, I guarantee he thought he was getting squished by about, a ton of Mustang. But no, he didn't get squished, thank God. So it's good to see everyone's okay. No cars look like they were seriously injured. His car looks like it's fine. Like I said, he's just backing up that ass, He stared at it too long, and it's gonna come for you. So let's move on. Next up, whose fault? Okay, this one someone might actually get hurt. I just want to say ahead of time, he is okay. Ooh. Okay, I thought someone, like a person, was gonna get hit, but it was the Mercedes and the Fox body, it looks like. So yeah, whose fault is this? Let's see. Let's try to be detectives here. So it's already a bad angle. They're both going towards each other. The Mercedes, I think, panics and sees the Mustang and his fucking headlights, and he just freezes up, stops moving, goes. Okay, no, you know what? It's the Mercedes' fault. He goes forward into the Mustang. Yeah, it's the Mercedes' fault, not the Mustang driver. So let's watch it again, all in full speed. Mercedes goes straight right into his car. Yeah, poor Mustang. Okay, that was just some pony abuse right there. We didn't need to see that. The Mercedes, you know, you fucked up. That's your bad. All right, next up, bystanders are evolving. Another Fox body. Egging him on and jumps over the car. That is ballsy, man. This guy's got hops. Look at that. Fucking egging on the pony and just goes Olay right over the trunk. Jesus. And look at him. He's still egging him on. He's like, you fucking suck. Getting really close. Doing some sketchy ass shit. Egging him on. Get your ass over here. Hop. All right, we're going to watch it one more time, but I'm going to throw in a Mario sound. All right, moving on. He joined the Airborne Division. All right, let's see. S197. Fox body. All right, so I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's really loud, and but let's just take a look at that again. Now I kind of feel bad for the car because that dude's weight for sure put a huge ass dent in the car. I mean, look at it. Okay, it's not him. It's not him. There he is. Boom! Oh my god. He landed on his feet though. Okay, so he might be part cat. I mean, I think although like it looks like someone got kind of hit with a car, he was okay. He landed on his feet. He didn't get hurt that bad. So the lesson to be learned here is don't stand in the middle where two Mustangs are doing donuts, and if you want to escape, wait till all the cars are done moving. He is obviously not athletic enough. No offense, dude, if you're watching this, but you're obviously not athletic enough to outrun a fucking car. Your other buddies, they timed it right, but you just, I mean, I guess what you did was more along your physique and stuff like that. You just took it head on like a football player, which is what we need in America nowadays, but yeah, I mean, I hope you're okay, man. It seems like you did a pretty good job of not stopping the car, but you're okay. You're okay. Next up. All right, next up. So we got Chris Fix. It looks like he painted his drift staying white. So, I mean, it's good to see he's going out and shit. And everyone is running for their lives. I didn't notice that the first time. That guy took off sprinting. He is terrified. I don't know if he got hit or what, but Chris Fix, he obviously has some pretty decent, some pretty well-controlled donuts right here. Well-controlled. You hear the throttle and everything. It sounds really nice. And not the exhaust. I'm just saying like his throttle control. The exhaust sounds like shit. But go straight towards the crowd. Don't know if anyone gets hit here, okay? I'm not sure. And everyone is just terrified. They're all running for their lives. One guy goes sprinting straight to his mom. No idea what's going on. This guy's gone, okay? And, I mean, Chris Fix, man, I mean, those are some pretty good drifts. But the crowds, man, the crowds just affect it too much, man. The Mustang just takes over, and then you don't know what to do. But, all right, enough of this one. Let's move on. So I think the Mustang is stalking its food. This guy's trapped. Maybe he's tied up to the cone. Don't know what. And then this is some weird ritual going on around them. It's probably something satanic, I would assume. I mean, feeding a pony a person is just it's sketchy. Oh, I think his buddy's coming to help him, so that's good. And his other buddy distracting the horse. Red on red action right there. So yeah, I think he's chained to the tire, or to the cone, my bad. And I think he's chained to it, and his buddy, his posse of cowboys are coming to save him. He's coming in to unchain him, and then his homie's trying to take care of the horse. He stops the horse in its tracks and saves his friend. So I think that's a heroic person right there. Press F to pay respects to that guy right there for taking the hit. So he looks like he's okay. Maybe his phone is just cracked. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and please leave a thumbs up. If you want me to do other cars, which I plan on doing anyway, let me know what car I should do next. Honda, Infiniti, 350s, 370s, whatever, Nissans. But let me know down in the comments down below. If you're not a member of the Peacock Flock, go ahead and hit subscribe and join the Peacock Flock. Flock to the videos once you turn on the notification bell. Until next video, peace.